Hi guys! So today we're going to draw different types of cats, which you all know I am terrified of. But I'm going to show you different ways to draw different cats, and I'm not sure what the names of all these cats are, so we're just going to make them up as we go, okay? Because all cats look a little bit different, just like all people, which is really cool. But the first cat we're going to start with is a Siamese cat. So we're going to draw kind of like an oval shape. Whoops. And then we're going to draw two little triangle type shapes for the ears, just like this. And then we're going to come into the face and we're going to draw kind of like a heart shape. Okay? And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause or rewind the video because, you know, I've got lots of practice doing this. So it's totally okay for you all to do that. So then we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to draw the colored part, the pupil part, and a highlight. The colored part, the pupil part, and a highlight. And I'm going to color in the pupil part with my pencil just to remind me that that's going to be colored in. Okay. So then I can come over here and I can draw kind of this triangle shape. And I'm going to draw two little things for their lips. And then I'm going to come down and draw a body. And remember, if you're in class with me, we're going to do something for the body here, okay? And if you're not in class with me and just want to turn your cat into something incredibly funny and hilarious or beautiful, I would love, love, love to see that, okay? I'd love to see it. So I'm going to draw two arms like this and a tail. And then for me, I'm going to color in this area here, like a dark color, and I'm going to color in this and this. And this is just a guide to show me what I need to color in. So when I use my pencil, I can use my pencil now. And when I go to add in the details, I know where to color. Okay? So this is a Siamese, I don't know if I spelled that right or not, Siamese cat. Okay? Now, the next cat we're going to draw, I like to call him Grumpy Cat. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of like a mountain shape. Okay? Kind of like a mountain shape. Okay? And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to come up and around. Like that right there. I'm going to draw two circles for the eyes. And then I'm just going to draw the dark pupil inside. Okay. And then I might add some other details in the fur and things. Then I'm going to draw, whoops, my pencil's going bad. Ears kind of like this. Whoops, I'm going to make them a little more rounded. There we go. And I might go add in some areas for it to be pink. And then I'm going to add some whiskers. Now, this is the part where it really makes him look grumpy. I'm going to add a little heart for his nose. And then when I come down for his mouth, I'm just going to do this right here. Right? And that makes him look kind of grumpy. But then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to kind of make it look like this. Very different shape in his fur. And then, nope, I don't like his arms being that way, or his little legs. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and add two little legs like that. Okay? And remember, if you're in class with me, we're going to make this, the body part down here, something different. So if you're in class, you can add details and color up here, but kind of don't worry about this down here. But if you're not in my class right now, and you're just wanting to learn how to draw different cats, you go for it. Add details to whatever you want to on him, okay? Or her, whatever. So you can even add little eyelashes, whatever you want to. So, our next cat is going to be a Calico Cat. So I'm going to switch over to this gray marker because my pencil's going bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kind of a U shape. Okay? And then I'm going to make another U shape on top, or a rainbow shape on top. And then I'm going to come over here to the edges, and I'm going to make 2 ears like that. Now for this cat, I'm going to make his eyes closed, but you can do whatever you want to for the eyes. Then I'm going to make some whiskers, and I'm going to have a little heart nose. And I'm going to make a straight line, and then I'm going to have this one come around and around like he's smiling. Now for the calico part, I'm going to make different lines, like this right here. And then I'm going to color this one in dark. And you can color them in all different colors if you want to. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger and a little more organic. And then I'm just going to kind of come straight down like this for him. He's going to be a skinny cat. And I'm going to have his arms come down like that. Okay, and now you can add all different kinds of detail. Remember, we're going to put something down here. We're going to add some detail down here on our animal. So if you're in class with me, remember, don't worry about this down here. Just worry about up here for the most part, okay? I'm going to add those little shapes up here too. Maybe some different calico looking things up here, like that. So then you can add a whole bunch of different stuff to it. Okay, so this is calico. All right. Now, the next cat we're going to draw, I like to call him Grandpa Cat, and I'm going to show you why. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with kind of a flattened out rainbow shape, and then we're going to come down and up and around, kind of like goggles. And then you're going to do the same thing kind of here, just like that right there. And then I'm going to make a little nose right here. Okay. And then I'm going to come right here and come down and around. Okay. Then make his body. And then I'm going to make kind of pointy ears up here, like that. Then I'm going to have eyes. I'm going to color in the pupils and leave a highlight. Right? And I just feel like he kind of looks like a grandpa. So if I'm making him look a little more like a grandpa, I might add a toboggan on his head or give him a scarf or something like that. But you can add whatever details you want to him, okay? I'm going to call him Grandpa Cat. Grandpa Cat. Okay. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video, okay? Now there's one more cat. And I'm just going to call this guy Normal. I'm going to call him actually Norman, not normal, because there's not anything that's normal, right? So I'm going to kind of have like a little mountaintop, and then I'm going to come around, okay? And I'm going to have ears that kind of look like this with a little point. Okay, and I'm just going to draw little black dots for the eyeballs. And a little heart for the nose. Actually, I don't like those eyeballs. I'm going to draw eyes. And he's a little wonky, but that's okay. Come down, make it like this. Draw some whiskers. And I'm actually going to draw some stripes on him. Maybe color those stripes in. There you go. And then I'm going to come down and around, just like that. And there we have Norman. So you can have whatever details you want to. So there's all different kinds of cats that you can draw. And I hope you guys have a great time making. And I can't wait to see what you make. Bye, guys.